Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you on how to open a brand new YouTube channel. For you to have a brand new YouTube channel, you need a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you can just quickly go to Google and type create Gmail account or just google.com. Then at this area here, you will see sign in. That is if you have not opened a Gmail account. But if you have opened and you want to use that account, yes, no problem. But if you want to open a new Gmail account, you just click on the logo here, then you see this add account, and you click the add account, then you create your Gmail account for personal use or for business. Then you fill in the form. But that's not where we are going to now. But if you've created the account, so you just head back to youtube.com. So from the youtube.com, you go to your logo here. You see this logo here at your top right. Then you click it. Then you go to your settings. Then you choose add or manage your channels. Then from there, you see create a channel. Then you type in your name, tutorials with a frame. So they will need to verify your account. You type in your phone number, they send a code to you, then you verify your account. So after your account has been verified, then you just go back to your Google Chrome and type youtube.com. Then from there, you navigate to this logo here. It's a button. Then just click it and then you go to YouTube Studio. Then boom, you see your channel. So the next thing you need to do is to head over to your settings to make the first adjustment. So in our next video, I'll tell you on how to optimize your channel. So you just choose the general here, the currency you want to be paid, so either USD dollar or Ugandan shilling and so on. Then you just move over to this place, then add your keywords here, then choose your country of residence, and you move to the advanced. If you want your channel, if your contents are based mainly for kids, then you can choose yes, this channel has made for kids. But since I'm not, my audience are not kids, I just put it to no. Then you check your feature eligibility, the standard features. With this one, you can upload videos when this is enabled. So this one is always enabled when you open a channel. But these intermediate features, you can't enable it till you verify your account again with a phone number. Now, when you put in the phone number, they send you a code as usual, and you input the code. Because if your account is not verified, you can't upload thumbnail and you can't make a video over 15 minutes. So after uploading a video of 15 minutes, they just tell you your video is deleted or they just give an excuse and you can't find your video in your content section. So what you just need to do is to verify your channel before making videos and making your thumbnails or uploading your thumbnails. So this is the upload default. You can give it a title. That means anytime you upload a video with the studio with your Google Chrome, anytime you upload a video, this will be the default name and this will be the default description, then the default tags. So we'll talk about that in our next video. Then you just choose the language you want. Sorry, here you choose the language you want, either English or Jamaica, any English you want. We'll still talk about that. The main aim here is just teaching you how to create a YouTube channel. So when you're done, you just click save and you have your YouTube channel. Thank you very much. We will talk on how to customize your YouTube channel and how to optimize your YouTube channel in our next video. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe if you've learned something. Thank you.